Replacement pet cot cover. Raised dog bed cover helps pets stay cool in warm spring and summer months by allowing air to circulate. Strong and sturdy, dog cot cover is made with a heavy denier that holds over 200 pounds, durable and tested for strength. Cover is machine washable and can even be hosed off outdoors. Quick and easy installation, exchange covers in minutes, no tools necessary. Includes cover only, frame is not included. Indoor and outdoor use. Breathable mesh center is great for indoor and outdoor use. Water-resistant mesh center repels moisture. Brand you trust, designed by K&H with over 20 years of experience in creating innovative, quality products. Dimensions. Medium cover measures 25 by 32 inches and fits any K&H Medium Pet Cot frame. Hint: new covers fit the frame very snug. They will stretch out after your pet has used the bed a few times. You can try sitting on the bed yourself to help break it in. Top reviews from the United States. Durable and easy to put on. This brand is awesome. I originally bought the dog cot from K&H about 4 years ago. It's used outside and is constantly in the weather, sun, snow and everything in between. When the cover finally ripped from all the weather and daily use of a 115-pound dog, I was bummed until I realized they sold replacement covers. Now it's just like brand new but half the cost. Definitely a good buy. Not to mention it came a day earlier than I expected.